So in class, there are 8 students who play football and hockey, 7 students who do not play football or hockey, 13 students who play hockey, 19 students who play football. Okay, this kind of question, you're using the Venn diagrams to help establish how many people there are in total sometimes, how many people just do one activity, etc., etc. So they're asking how many students are in the class. So we have to look at this. Now the wording of it is important. It says here 8 students play football and hockey. Okay, that means that there are students, there are 8 people who play both sports. So if I were to draw a Venn diagram, which I have here, I've labelled this one F for football, this one H for hockey. Where would my value 8 go? Can we use maths words for it? Kiara?
In the intersection.
Oh, I love it. In the intersection. So I would write 8 there. Are you happy with that? Now, there are 7 students who do not play football or hockey. Where would those babies go? Casey?
On the outside.
On the outside. Trisby Ann's. Anywhere on the outside. Now, it says there are 13 students who play hockey. What am I going to do here? Emma?
You're going to put the 13 in the hockey.
Here?
Yeah.
Do we agree with that?
No.
Oh, we have mutiny in the ranks. Free.
Oh, would you do 13 minus 8?
You would.
Yeah.
Why would you do that, Sabrina?
Because it's 13 is everyone in total, then there's 8 people who do both.
Tresbians, and what is that?
5.
Pressure. Awesome. Excellent. So actually, I really appreciate, Emma, that you unfortunately gave me the wrong answer. Because that's brought up a good thing, because lots of people do that. Okay? So, I've then got 19 students who play football. Jimmy?
Oh, so that would be 19 minus 8, so 11.
Good. Yes, Tresbian? And then obviously the question says how many students are in the class, so you would now add up all of those numbers. If you'd added up these two numbers, you wouldn't have got the right answer, because obviously there are people who play both, and there's obviously people who don't play either. So we've got 8 plus 11, 24, 31. So there are 31 people in the class. Yes? So the Venn diagram alongside, underneath actually, illustrates the number of people, or even people, in a sporting club who play tennis and hockey. Or they like all these sports, don't they? So tennis and hockey. Determine the number of people in the club. Oh, Miss Harrison. Have got any numbers in there? Oh, that's all there, isn't it? I think I snipped the wrong picture. Let's move on. You made that number. No. In a class of 24 boys, 16 play football, 11 play baseball. If 2 play neither, how many play both games? All right. So we've got our universal sets. We're going to label it football and baseball. Now, this is a bit trickier. Oh, Mia.
I don't even know those answers.
Okay. What can I fill in straight away? Do you know?
2 play neither, so you can put that in the hockey.
Okay, awesome. 2 play neither. Now we know that 16 play football and 11 play baseball, but what they haven't told us about the intersection, because obviously that's the question they're asking us. But what we could do is we could say, okay, I'm going to label this A, this B, and this C. You all happy with that?
Yeah.
Did you say no? You
No, I said I got it. Yeah.
Oh. And what can I say about A plus B plus C? What would that equal? Jamie?
24.
How do you get that?
Because it's like in athletics, it's another one around the board.
Well,
Oh, wait, no,
we're talking about the board 24.
Yeah, because then it could do not play.
Good, awesome. So you're all happy with that? Yeah, I mean, you said 22, but I just wanted to double check you knew one. So if I know that A plus B plus C is 22, am I able to write any other equation type thing? Do I know how many people play football? So how could I describe the number of people playing football using letters? Emma?
A equal. Wait, no.
Be careful.
A minus? No, never mind.
Casey?
11 plus B plus 16 equals 22.
Oh, not quite.
Oh.
So think about who plays football. Sabrine?
Would it be A plus B equals 16?
Yes. Does everyone see that?
Mm-hmm.
This circle here is my football circle, yes? And they tell us that 16 people play that sport. So that means that A plus B has to total 16. We don't know how it's split, but we know that the total of those has to be 16.
Oh, I know what you're saying.
Yeah? So now, I can do something similar again to baseball. So my baseball would obviously be B plus C equals 11. I say obviously, hopefully. And what can I do now? I've got a couple of different things I can do.
Can you find the difference to give you 3?
How do you mean the difference?
16 minus 11?
No.
Well, then I don't know.
Okay. So I'm going to use my red one. Okay, I'm going to use my red equation here. So if I know that A plus B is 16, then does that not mean I could write 16 plus C equals 22? We all see that?
Yeah.
So if A plus B is 16, then I'm just going to replace these two. Again, I don't know how much individually they are, but I know in total they would be 16 plus C would be 22. Yeah? So now I've only got one unknown. So I must be able to say that C is, then what?
22 minus 6.
6, yeah? So I know that C is 6. Well, and if I know that C is 6, I can now stick that into this baby here and say that B plus, sorry, B and my 6s are pretty similar, equals 11. And so B would be,
5.
really?
I mean, sorry.
B is 5. And now if I know B is 5 and A plus B is 16, I know that A plus 5 equals 16, and so A is 11. So this is 11, this is 5, and this was 6. Now we've answered all the sections, but they only want to know how many take both games. So our answer in this case would be 5. What's better?
If 6 and 5 are together, then why is not
Tell me again.
Oh, wait, no, it's B. Sorry.
Yeah, I know. So, sorry,
Sorry.
it's my letters. They look similar.
It's all good.
Okay, we're good? In senior class, all 29 students take one or more of biology, chemistry and physics. Ooh, these are a little bit trickier because there's 3 of them. So we've got biology, chemistry and physics. Oh God, I've got a feeling from recollection this is a bit challenging. Biology, chemistry and physics. The headmaster is informed that 15 take biology, 15 take chemistry and 18 take physics. Now, you have to remember that that's the whole circle. So it's not 15 take just biology, okay? Because if it was, then that would go in this section here, yeah? So you've got to be careful how it's worded. Now, 10 take biology and chemistry, and again, biology and chemistry would be this whole section here. 5 take chemistry and physics, 7 take biology and physics. How many take all 3?
Wouldn't just take biology and chemistry be? The top part? Yeah, the top part. Because you're going into the physics.
No, because if they said then take just biology and chemistry.
No, like.
No, I hear you, but that's what you've got to be careful that biology and chemistry means both of these two. Yes, some of those people also take physics.
Okay.
But the key here is that they've told you that there are 10 in total, and that's the mistake that people make, and that was the mistake that Emma made with the earlier one by just thinking that it was the just section. Renee?
So if it's only bio and chem, is it like just the top part of that?
So if they had said only biology and chemistry, then it would be that bit. Yeah?
That's weird.
Oh, and no, I know that's what you're trying to.
No, but
you
just
were
the
trying to
top
tell me.
part.
No, I know that's what you're trying to tell me, but it doesn't say only biology and chemistry, so that's why it's all of this bit. Did I not answer you?
No, but it's okay. Because Leona did.
Well, yeah, but
Leona.
I was trying to explain to you.
Yeah.
I knew what you were saying.
No.
I was just didn't explain my explanation. Okay. Okay, so this one's a lot more challenging. We're going to have to label lots of things with letters. So we've got lots of small things. So we've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm sorry, pardon? If you would like to, sure. So my suggestion to you is that you're going to do something of that nature. You're going to know that all of them, I'll start you off. A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G totals how much? 29. Yep. There's your starter. See if you can have a go. Alright, so between Sabrina and Dinah, well, I think they did it independently, both autumn. Right, okay, so we've been told the totals of each subject, so hopefully you're all happy with those. We've also been told the intersection, so we know that B and D is 10, and that chemistry, physics, D and F is 5, and D and E is 7. Okay? So we then substitute these values in a similar way what we did earlier. So we've got, instead of B plus D, here, we're going to write the number 10. So that means that A plus 10, plus E equals 15. It's working now. Which means that A plus E gives us 5. And then we're going to do a similar thing with the next one. So we know that D plus F is 5. So this D plus this F is 5. So we know that C plus B plus 5 equals 15. So the C plus B is equal to 10. And then again, a similar thing here. We know that D and the E gives us 7. So that G plus F plus 7 equals 18. So G plus F would be 11. So this is where my little noggin missed it. But these two ladies got it. If we establish this, we've got A, E, C, B, G, and F. So all of those are being added together to give a total of 26. So we can say that A plus E plus C plus B plus G plus F is 26. Oh my gosh,
See you now.
26. And so the only one missing here is D. Which means that D must be 3. So we got?
He was smart. He was very smart.
I'm sorry, pardon? So that means, because D is our intersection, that means that 3. So 3. That's excellent. Well done.